Hey guys, welcome back to One Man Op Fishing. I'm back on the kayak again today. I told you I would be back on it soon. Taking my life into my own hands with this thing. It's early December. It's warmed up a little bit the last couple days. It's about 83 or 4 degrees right now. The temperature of the water is in the 70s. So perfect temperature for fishing my shallow runner. That's what we'll be throwing again today. If you saw my last video, you know I lost this rod and reel right into the drink, but I managed to get it back, all caught on video. So thank God for that. So I got about an hour of daylight, maybe a little longer. Let's get to it and see if we can't catch a few bass on this beautiful South Florida December day. All right. Just row a little, cast a little. There's something. Yep. A little guy. Not bad, not bad. I hardly even felt him touch it. All right, darling, easy. I'm gonna just leave this sucker out all the time. There we go. Here we go, guys. He's just a little fish, yearling, maybe 8 ounces. Cute though. All right, right back, baby. There you go. There's something. Another little one. I felt him. Actually, he's not too bad. Wouldn't say he's a little one. He's a pound, maybe. Boy, I tell you, they're not hitting it very hard today. They're just tapping at it. I got you. There we go. Let's go ahead and unhook my boy. There we go. Come on. Got to be careful when you're taking the hook out in this kayak, because if you lean too hard one way or the other, you're going to end up in the water. Beautiful. That goes about a pound, I would say. Maybe not quite a pound, but he's a fat. Look at the gut. Can you see how fat? These are fat fish, guys. They're eating really well in this lake. So we're doing good. All right. Hey, now. There's another one. Boy, he was sitting right up there on shore. Second catch. Lost him. I didn't get a good enough hook set, God. I didn't feel him. Damn. Crappy hook set on that one, which is embarrassing when you're fishing a Rapala, because it's got, 2 giant treble hooks. Good God, how do you miss them? They are just, there we go. They're just not hitting this thing very hard. I'm hardly feeling. That's not bad though. That's 2 fish in about 3 casts. Something sitting right over there, right in that grass. Come on out of there now. Come on. This one hit it above his head. Missed his mouth completely. Come on. What do we got going on here? There we go. Another nice fish, guys. Almost a pound, I'd say. You can see the mouth, but you know, 10 ounces, 14 ounces. Beauty. They love this. They love to splash me, these guys. There we go. There we go. That's a little bit of a better fish, too. Not a great fish, but certainly a better fish. Come on now. Yes. Yeah. Come on now, fella. Come here. Gotta watch those hooks. All right, guys. Look at that. Oh, come on now. There we go. Now that is finally a decent fish. About 1.25 pounds, I'd say. Look at the mouth. Big fat male. Beautiful fish. Yes, that's what we're looking for. You know, something that would weigh in a tournament, perhaps. You know, good, healthy fall bass. There you go, darling. Beautiful. Everybody is starting to barbecue. It's gonna be dark in about 30 minutes, maybe less, and so everyone's got dinner going, except me. When I get back, there we go. Nope, that was something on the bottom. Ooh, I thought I had a good fish there. I thought I had a good fish. There we go. Lost him. Just a little one. Yeah, I let him just fall off the side, guys. I'm using a Rapala. That's a brand name. Comes from Europe. Here, I'll show you. Yeah, looks like a little, they call it a shallow runner. It's good for when the weather cools off and boom, and the bass are more active. Okay guys, we're back in. Kayaks put away, back at my neighbor's, and man, I'll tell you, it was a beautiful day to fish. I only fished maybe an hour and 10 minutes, and we ended up catching, I'm not even sure how many fish. I think we landed 4 in the boat, and then I think I missed 2. So 6 fish, nothing big, you know, dinks. One was better than a pound, but nice clean fish, fat and healthy. I know there are bigger fish in this lake. My neighbor has caught some 4+ pounders in here. So I look forward to continuing to fish it and see what we can land. So thanks for coming out with me. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for giving me the likes. And of course, leave me a comment, guys. Much appreciated, and we'll see you on the next one.